Yeah, this is Freddy. Like what you said, I'm responsible dad, and you told me, fuck you in the computer. Well, who cares? And leave me alone. And tell your mom to leave me alone. And I hope you guys find a good life. And like you've been lying to me, and you told me that you don't have a sister. Well, I got two kids, Janelle and Jericho. I love my wife, Irene. So leave us alone. And I tell you the truth. Irene is the first one, not your mom. Okay, so leave us alone. And like you know, don't worry about your sister. You don't have a sister with me, like what you said. So I got two kids. Leave us alone. Stephen is pretty. Leave us alone. I love my wife. Don't expect me anything. So be on your life and stop bothering me. And like what you said that I don't have nothing to do with Shireen. Well, that's fine. You know, and you guys been lying. You guys lie. You guys lie too much. And leave my wife alone. I love Irene. Irene is the first one, not you. So just leave us alone. I love my wife and my kids. So leave us alone. Stop bugging me. Stop bugging my wife or threatening my wife. So leave us alone.